Just entering the BC Ferries. This is a live shot through my Ray-Ban Meta 2 glasses. Entering the ferry. I got lots of room left on here. It's a live look under the decks of the BC Ferries. We just made it on the boat. That's the guy directing the traffic. Great, look at his great moves. He's dancing. We'll even fit this guy on here. Holy, a big truck. Let us stuff this ferry. Oh. What's that? Ooh. Even the truck's hungry. Here's That's a look at the BC Ferries. We just made it on the boat. He's closing up the boat here. He's got the strap out. Really cold this morning. It's like 1 degree here in Nanaimo, BC. Just wanted to share this with you. God bless everyone. Amen.